Today I want to share with you a 5-minute practice that you can do for those days in which you are feeling exhausted. Those days when you wake up and you feel like you didn't have a good sleep or you didn't sleep enough hours, you're feeling drowsy, your thinking is clouded, you're feeling like you're gonna fall asleep in your next meeting, and you just don't feel that you will have the energy to make it through the day or deal with like any difficult meeting that you may have. And that's a common sensation that high achieving people have. The rhythm of their lives, of our lives, is sometimes so fast paced that we make up hours of work that we need to finish, eating up on our sleep hours. We finish stuff last minute before going to bed, and then the next day we wake up and we're drained and we're tired. So this is a 5-minute meditation that will allow you to reset and gain some energy so that you can make it through the day. I want to say that it's not a substitute for sleep. Our body will find a way to recover the sleep that it has lost, and it's important to start setting up a sleep hygiene routine. But for those weeks and days where things are just simply too hectic and you are feeling too tired to perform, this is an ideal practice that will only take you 5 minutes, and you can do it anywhere sitting down as long as you can take a break and close your eyes for 5 minutes. So I want to offer you the instructions of this 5-minute practice for when you're exhausted, and then I am going to guide you through the practice itself so that you can do it if you have some time with you. So when you're feeling exhausted, drowsy, and sleepy, and you have a long day ahead of you, or in the middle of the day and you feel that you're out of energy for the next that's going to come, set a timer for 5 minutes. Sit on a chair, recline, and let your whole body fall against the chair. Close your eyes. Have your inward gaze focus between your eyebrows or between your eyes. And as you surrender to the feeling of exhaustion that your body has, and give in and lie against the chair and feel how your whole body surrenders and relaxes, start taking very deep inhales and exhales. And the way in which you will not fall asleep is because you will be counting your breaths. You will inhale in 6 counts and exhale in 6 counts. For as long as the timer lasts. And when the timer goes off, open your eyes, continue about your days, try it, and let me know how it feels. It does energize, it does release all the exhaustion that sometimes we carry. So if you have time now, I invite you to sit with me as I guide the practice and do it myself. So finding a comfortable position in a chair, reclining your back against the chair. You can hold a downward gaze or you can close your eyes. Remember to set your timer for 5 minutes. Close your eyes. And begin focusing all your gaze between your eyes, between your eyebrows. And take this moment to surrender completely to the exhaustion, the sleepiness, and the tiredness that you are feeling. Just let things be, knowing that for the next 5 minutes, you have nothing else to do. Nowhere else to be, and that you can have this pause and be with you as you breathe. And as you gaze between your eyes with your eyes closed, begin to take deep inhales counting to 6, and long exhales counting to 6 for the rest of the practice. So take a long inhale for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And repeat this sequence of inhales and exhales until your timer goes off. And invite a friendly, compassionate attitude to this short break. Noticing maybe the thoughts that come to mind and knowing that it's okay to have them. Releasing tension and exhaustion every time you exhale. Gaining energy from your inhale. Balancing your nervous system with these long breaths. Scanning through your body, acknowledging the effort of the past days and nights. Embracing this moment of care that you are engaging in. Remembering to focus all your attention on your breath. And realizing how, by closing your eyes and sitting still, even if it's for a couple of minutes, you give yourself permission to slow down. Sometimes we think that we have to wait until we can take a longer break or go on vacation to slow down. But it is always available here and now, in our stillness, in our breath, in looking inward to meet ourselves and learn what our body has to say. Notice where our heart is feeling. And gently and in a friendly attitude, embracing a pause, embracing our present moment. And taking a deep inhale, feeling your belly rise. Taking a longer exhale. Opening your eyes slowly. Noticing the things that are around you. Coming back to your life and preparing to continue with the rest of your day.